Hi everyone, Dan Town, FMCC librarian here with a quick video on footnoting. So on my screen what you see before you is a Word document, a paper that I'm working on, and I want to add footnotes to this document. So the first thing that I need to do is, we are on the Home tab right now, I need to be able to get myself over to the References tab, and we are going to insert a footnote. So in this case, I want to add a footnote to the end of this first paragraph. So I make sure my cursor is where it needs to be, in this case at the end of the first paragraph. I come up here and click this Insert Footnote button. You will notice that at the end of that paragraph where I had my cursor placed, I get a superscript number. Okay, this being the first footnote, I get a superscript 1. And then you noticed when I clicked this Insert Footnote button that it gave me a space at the bottom of the page to insert my footnote. And that is what a footnote is. It goes at the bottom of the page. So for this footnote, I'm going to use this article, okay, for my first source, for my first footnote. So I'm going to copy that URL, and then I'm going to go to the library's main page. I'm going to go to the Students button. Remember, I said there were two different sources, two different types of citation that you may use here at FMCC: APA citation format and MLA citation format. Just check with your instructor to see if there is a preferred citation format that you should be using in your course for your assignments in that course, and then go ahead and use the corresponding citation style. So for me in this example, I'm using APA citation help. And for this article from a web page that I want to use, I'm going to use a citation generator, and I'm going to use Zotero Bib. So to use a citation generator, it's as easy as pasting in my URL, clicking the Cite button, waiting for the citation generator to do its thing, and it generates the citation in MLA or in APA format for me, and I am going to copy that citation to the clipboard. I'm going to go back over to my Word document in the footnote at the bottom of the page again, and simply paste in my citation, paste in my footnote. Okay? I'll repeat that process one time. Let's say I want to add a second footnote at the end of this sentence. Again, I position my cursor where I want that footnote to be. I click the Insert Footnote button. I get my superscript 2 telling me this is the second footnote, and then I get a place down here to actually go ahead and insert that second footnote. So for this example, I'm going to use an article from one of the library's databases. I'm going to use this first article, and in this database, in most of our databases for that matter, I have a cite tool, so I'm going to go ahead and use that. This is defaulting to APA style for me. Again, recognize that there are a couple different styles that you may use, so again, just make sure if you use a database that you're actually going to copy and paste the correct style. All right. I am going to copy this citation again to the clipboard, go back to my Word document, to my second footnote, right click, and insert my second footnote. Okay? Now, if you do it this way, you will do this in lieu of instead of a references page. Okay? So if you put the complete reference here in the footnotes, you will not need a reference page. If I were somewhere else in my document going to cite some more information from either one of these sources, of course I could just copy and paste it from here, or copy it from here and then place it in any additional footnotes that I have for this document. So that's it. It's a simple process. Again, the key to this thing is to get yourself to the References tab and position your cursor where you may want your footnote, insert the footnote button, and copy and paste or insert your footnote in that area at the bottom of the page. So I hope this helps. Feel free to contact me with any questions about footnoting, any questions about citation, or any questions about finding sources for your research projects.